What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your wheel here. This is going to include the tire and the rim. Stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is spray off the tire to get off any loose dust, dirt, grease, and debris. Feel free to use a pressure washer if you got a pressure washer. I'm just using a hose for this video. The next thing we want to do is spray off the tire with our cleaner. Now you can use a cleaner specifically for the tire part, and you can use a cleaner that's separate specifically for the rim or the wheel here. I personally prefer to use a multi-purpose cleaner so you can do everything at one time. You'll save a lot more money that way, time, and you don't have to keep up with as many bottles. So let's spray the tire down liberally with our cleaner. Now that it's been sprayed, you want to let that cleaner sit and dwell on that tire and on that rim. This is the most important part. Let that cleaner loosen up the gunk so that it's easy to clean. Now that the time has elapsed, I like to clean the tire first before I clean the rim area. And for that, you just need some kind of brush. Make sure it's got some stiff bristles here. Now they do make wheel cleaning or tire cleaning brushes specific for this job, but it's not necessary. You can just use this. So just go in here and scrub. See the dirt here? Now to clean the wheel area, you're gonna need some kind of brush like this, something that you can stick and get inside there, and something that's going to be soft enough that's not going to scratch the wheel face here. I like to use this brush right here. Products will be listed and linked down below. This is going to remove brake dust and all the grease and grime that you get. See? You can use the same brush to clean the front here. After you've loosened up and scrubbed away all the dirt, give it a good rinse. The last thing you want to do here is dry off the rim. Make sure you always dry it off with a microfiber cloth because this is going to prevent it from getting water spots. So we'll take our cloth. Going to dry off the rim. And lastly, I want to talk about the cleaner that I use. The cleaner I use, the all-purpose cleaner, is a Super Clean. It's called Super Clean Purple Bottle. All-wheel cleaner right here. This is what you want to use. Now, what's the difference in this and the regular Super Clean degreaser? Why do we have two products here? Simple. This one is acidic. This one is alkaline. The reason you use the acidic one for the wheels is because this is going to remove any water spots from the rain that was on the wheel face itself here. If you use just the degreaser, it's going to have a hard time getting rid of any water spots. So if you have shiny chrome rims, you want to make sure you're using some kind of acidic cleaner so that during the cleaning process, the water spots are removed. So this is what I used, Super Clean all-wheel cleaner versus just the regular Super Clean heavy-duty degreaser, which is alkaline. And that, my friends, is how to clean your wheels.